Last time, we found out our condo was sold after our first offer fell through, got a flat tire on the way to Kitty's vet appointment, and got some new fishing gear in the mail.
Alysha, we're live.
Oh, hi.
We're getting ready for our 1920s party. Gonna run over to the Shoppers. Go get Shoppers. Buy some hair gel to slick back the hair, give that a try. Gotta get Alysha some fake lashes. And that is the game plan. I have to find fake lashes. I have no idea where to find fake lashes. Oh boy. Okay, back home. Now to put that hair product to work, get that gel in, and we are off to the show soon, so see you when we're dressed up. Alright, better late than never, but we are ready. Woo!
Yay.
Oh my god.
I'm wearing my heels, so
Oh
I'm
my.
a little tall.
Oh my god. Woo! We are 1920s up, ready to go take in the lovely condo party of the year. Okay, we got a long hallway to walk down still. Literally just down the hall to the condo party. Let's get it.
Okay, we're here at the murder mystery party. We're trying to figure out who killed Fanny. We can't figure it out. There's lots of suspects. Look at all the suspects. There's so many suspects, but we don't know who it is. Who killed Fanny?
While it seems as though everyone either had a motive to kill Fanny or a dark secret, there was only one thing you were meant to discover. Who was the one to actually bump her off? To determine this, you had to discover who had the motive, means, and opportunity to kill Fanny. And there was only one person here who had all three of those things. Me.
Ruby! After a very fun murder mystery party the previous day, it was time to get back to packing up our condo. Okay, have to go pick up more moving boxes. Okay, boxes. Ah, okay. 2 more. 2 more. Nope. 5 more. Oh gosh. They're a mess. Alright, tight fit. They were packed to the roof. But I got them. Let's get them home. Moving, packing, cleaning.
There's so much. We have so many boxes, so much stuff.
But we're getting through it.
Slowly but surely.
That's right. What is it, 2 days until we're out?
Tomorrow's the moving day. The day after that's the cleaning day. And then we're out.
I hope she doesn't tip and fall.
Dangerous.
Are we moving? Is the RV going to be okay, or are you going to miss your cat tree? Where'd your cat tree go? She's at the hole pawing at it. Where'd it go? You're not gonna like the next part. There it is. There it is.
Where is it? Where's the rest of your tree?
So sad.
Wait.
Moving day. Last morning in our bed in our own house here like this.
And it's too cold to get out of bed.
It is cold this morning. We need to be south.
We have to get out of bed so we can go pick up the UHaul.
Yeah, we got a busy morning. UHaul, notary, sell the bike. Got that guy coming to see the bike finally. UHaul, check. Bike guy at the house ready to go pick up the bike and check it out. Moving day is in full swing. Let's get at her.
During our busy moving day, we got a voicemail from the salesperson at the RV dealership and called him back.
Good morning there, David. It's Luke here.
Hi, Luke. And Alysha have got a pretty neat plan ahead of you, so we'd like to be part of that for you.
Yeah, thanks. We appreciate that.
Okay, awesome. I'll put your name on this, and we'll run this, and you'll get a call from our business office. Okay, thank you, Luke.
Yeah, you betcha. Have a good day there.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks. Back to moving then.
Okay. Bye now.
Yep, take care.
Woohoo! We just bought a motorhome. We just bought a motorhome.
Now that we have put a deposit on our motorhome, they are working on installing our awning, ladder on the back, and detailing the unit for us to pick up in the coming weeks.
Are you stuck?
What are you gonna done up there, huh?
Did you get yourself stuck?
Yeah, it seemed like a good idea at first, huh, bud? Now what you gonna do, bud?
It's amazing how much stuff we got rid of and how much we still have to pack. Oh, hi.
Back so soon?
Yes.
That was fast.
Yes. I'm a master mover. Moving is no freaking joke.
It's horrible.
We're almost done. We have a few big things left still. And it's a disaster in here. And we're gonna have to come back and clean tomorrow.
12-hour day. 12-hour day.
Yeah, we still have to unload it all tonight because we have to
Drive
get
an hour and a half.
we have to get the U-Haul back at 8:30 tomorrow morning, so we have to unload everything. It's already 6:40. Let's go.
All right, 8 o'clock and we have packed the van. It has been an extremely long day and we still have an hour and a half to drive and unpacking all tonight before getting the morning to come back, clean and meet my grandparents too. A lot to do, but we are killing it. Great work to Alysha. She worked very hard today. Love her.
With some help from my parents, we were able to make quick work of unpacking our belongings at their house to store while we were traveling. We returned the U-Haul in the morning, and then we went back to the condo to finish up the cleaning. It was then finally time to take a break.
All right, we have finished cleaning up. Last downtown dinner in Kelowna with some friends. We are doing it. We can finally relax again. Woo! Okay, we've cleaned. It's packed. We're done. Last day in the house is complete. We are out of here.
Crazy.
On to next chapter in life. Go check out the RV. Get the RV life started.
It's so sad that it's not our house anymore. Crazy. We're leaving Kelowna for good.
For good?
Never coming back.
Never?
Nope.
What?
We've got Kitty in her carrier on my lap because the back is filled with junk.
Packed to the roof.
How do we own so much stuff?
We must minimalize.
Yeah, purge.
Hashtag minimalist wannabes. And that's that. It's sad to leave behind the first home that we had purchased, but very exciting to look forward to all of the adventures we will have traveling in our new home on wheels.
Join us next time when we pick up our motorhome, make some adjustments, and pack all of our gear inside to get ready to hit the road.